Hello everyone. Today we had a wonderful guest at our kitchen, Suman. It was such a pleasure to share my story and my work with her. Suman is a regular client at Fantasy and she loves everything that we make at the Fantasy Kitchen. Her YouTube channel Soul Stories features entrepreneurs who have started small from scratch in life and made it big. Today, I'm showing you a glimpse of that interview with Suman. She enjoyed freshly baked cookies in the bakery.
मुझे गर्मा गर्म फ्रॉम द डायरेक्ट किचन खाने को मिलेगा. I'll taste it. कोई जवाब नहीं. As usual, the most tastiest one. Thank you.
Suman was interacting with our chefs and she was extremely happy to see the work in the kitchen behind the scenes. Right since a very young age, I was very inclined towards that. Okay. And my family always encouraged me that, you make very nice, things. तो ऑटोमेटिकली मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ा उसकी तरफ. और व्हेन आई वाज इन कॉलेज आई लर्नड केटरिंग फ्रॉम होम साइंस. देयर वाज अ क्वांटिटी कुकरी सब्जेक्ट. Okay. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. And there was a little nutrition that I studied in the college. And then afterwards I got married at a very early age. Okay. But again I got married into a family who was a foodie. And they also appreciated my cooking and the way we all loved food, we celebrated food, and so that's how the journey was on. And food industry or restaurant or hospitality industry, you find earlier, I mean now you have a lot of ladies in this, but earlier women being into this field was very difficult, very tough and very rare. Because this field takes a lot of your long hours of working, and I would say 200% of your commitment, which is you can't say that मैं घर देखते देखते ये कर लूँगी. It's not that possible. Way. It's not possible. It has to have your 200%. It's like giving a birth to a child. Correct. Who needs his mother all the time. True. You know. So that's why fantasy, because for me to think like that, okay, ये होगा. It was only in my fantasies. I started working from home. Obviously, your first thought is let's work in your comfort, zone where you can also look after your family, your child, and you can work as well. So like every home baker things, मैंने भी वैसे ही शुरू किया. बहुत छोटा और मेरी बहुत humble शुरुआत रही है. Because I have done 150 rupees का chocolate pouches I used to sell at my brother-in-law's store.
Oh my God! this is big. Okay.
Yeah, that also my sister and my brother-in-law forced me that Didi, these chocolates are very nice. Why don't you keep it at the shop? Just for fun, people will like it and something sweet. So that's how I have started, and that first amount that my brother-in-law gave me, I think it was a very small amount, but I still have it with me.
Wow!
But then I feel the biggest challenge what currently today's time this industry is facing is that retention of the people working with them, which luckily has been touchwood very good with me. We have currently a team of 60 people working with us.
It's amazing. So amazing.
So when I started, I couldn't even call even 2 people to work with me. Because they couldn't trust me. Me being a woman starting a new business, they used to say कि नहीं हमको आपके साथ काम नहीं करना है, हम कहीं और काम कर लेंगे. So it was very difficult to get workers, skilled workers to come and work with me. And at the same time, it was very difficult for even the clients to trust me. True. Because they used to feel कि हम आपको इतना बड़ा ऑर्डर दे रहे हैं, but will you be able to execute it? आपके पास किचन है कि नहीं, आपके पास लोग है कि नहीं, आप सारे compliances हैं कि नहीं, अगर आप corporate orders ले रहे हो तो. So ऐसे एक स्टेप में क्लियर करती गई और उनको भरोसा होता गया धीरे धीरे कि yes, we can perform, we can deliver, and that's how then those clients are still with us.
So how does it feel? How are you managing? I mean, I'm sure ये एक दिन में नहीं हुआ है, right? Yeah. So how was it to reach here with 0 staffs to 60 staff? How was it?
It's been quite a tough journey, but I would give this a lot of credit to the support that I got in life, for sure. First my family, and then my partner, and then comes my team.
Amazing.
So family always supported me in terms of, okay, just go and do it. If you feel this is what you want to do it, do it. We are there, right, for you. So whether it was late nights coming home, whether it was my son being really young, and he had to be taken care by either my mother or my husband or my sisters, they were always there for me, always encouraging. They rather helped me. I remember the busiest hours of the shops. We used to have my sisters, my son, they used to all stand and we used to all pack cakes and sell, talk to the clients, because ekdam se you have a lot of crowd coming in. Same way was with my partner and his family. Entire family came in whenever there was need of work or execution, whether it was contributing your vehicles or your time, or
So
sometimes
it's a group work that
group work
everyone was
and
doing.
lot of support. Basically, lot of support. Nobody said that don't do this, or what are you doing, or this is not working out. Never. It was always, yes, you can do it. Go ahead. You will have challenges, and you have to to next day just get up and start walking. Yesterday is gone. Now look forward and walk.
So when you say you got family support always, right? So balancing was never a problem for you. Like how was it?
No, not always. You cannot say never a problem. It's like you have also been a
Right.
working woman. You
Yeah.
still are. We do face problems. We do face criticism. We do feel guilty at times for not attending a particular event
function.
or
Yeah,
a function, or say your child or your parents. Sometimes they are unwell, and you have to rush and execute that particular order. So it happens. But I would say you can never have it all.
Right.
I mean, कुछ ना कुछ तो छूटेगा.
छूटेगा.
अभी आपके ऊपर है कि आपने किस चीज के ऊपर ध्यान देना है और किस चीज की लिस्ट बनानी है, जो छूटा वो, या फिर जो आप ये सब करके भी कर पाए वो सब. और ऑब्वियसली इस बीच में आती है आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग फैमिली, जो बोलती है कि चलो ठीक है, अब नहीं कर पाए अगली बार कर लो, या हम आपके बिहाफ पे कर लेते हैं, हम पिकअप ड्रॉप कर लेते हैं, हम रिपोर्ट कार्ड करेक्ट कर लेते हैं.
This is a blessing, right, Neha? I mean, इतना भी कोई बोल दे हमारे लिए बहुत है.
Yes, of course, I'm always,
Right.
and you won't believe my neighbors are my very good friends. They have also helped me because of my husband's profession. He used to be always traveling a lot.
Okay.
So always the family, friends, and close people have come and said that yes, you go ahead and do, and we will support you.
Amazing. That's superb.
When you run a business, you have to have a lot of other angles which are taken care of, like say financial angle, then you have a lot of business development angle. So I was very blessed and lucky enough to have been, met my partner in 2016,
Okay.
wherein we joined hands, because
Okay.
even he wanted to do something in food,
Oh.
having two lovely daughters, and he came from a mechanical engineering background,
Oh.
owning a couple of other businesses, but he wanted to own a food business. And we met in a business platform, and we said, okay, chalo, let's do it. Fantasy was my dream. I was very passionate about food, and he was passionate about making a new and a big business.
Okay.
So this collab became a very hit and a successful, I would say, because I was looking after my core area, and he was looking after his core areas and roles and responsibilities.
Amazing.
So that's how it's been 10 years now, almost next year, for our partnership. But it's been going good. Of course, we have our ups and downs. And
That
difference
happens
of
for every
opinions,
business,
yes.
right?
Thank you, Suman. It was a great pleasure interacting with you. You took me back in time. Hope you had a great time too. All the best for your YouTube channel. And a big thank you from my team as well.